There it go right there. Chassis control system error. All-wheel drive error. So y'all see it. My actual appointment is at 3:30 at the shop, so we right on time, and I actually got the sensor to show that it's showing wrong or bad. So I'm about to get this up to the shop.
Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. I'll get it done. You too. Glad you have faith in me.
You got it too, though.
Oh,
You got faith in you.
do I?
You come here every day with it.
It's true.
The name of that part was just called like an ABS cable? Or
ABS wheel speed sensor.
ABS wheel speed sensor. What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump. What's poppin', y'all? Y'all know what it is, man. So, y'all know that we just had a few different issues going on with this car. We got Salt and Pepper still here in the garage. Everything's still 100, still sitting here solid, man. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know in this car, we actually had this issue, which is a plug that we had to put in here from a previous expressway trip. Had that plugged. The tire was a little issue because we had this tire overinflated at the shop. Immediately after that, we had started hearing issues on the next expressway trip in this wheel. So we actually just got this wheel checked out and fixed by Eric Fidesna. We actually just got a wheel hub because the wheel bearing was bad in here. So we just got that replaced, and the car drives fine, and we back in traffic without the loud noise that we was just having. But after driving the car for a day, probably not even a full day, but a little while after the shop, we actually got in the car and let's see. You know, when we put it in there, it actually showed that there was an issue with the ABS system and some other things. But it's probably not gonna show until I actually start driving. So I'm about to reverse and drive a little bit and see if it comes up. I'm actually reversing out of the driveway right now, so seeing if it's gonna show anything. Garage. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna have to get in traffic. So I'm gonna start driving, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it's gonna show. Okay, I just put it in drive. So y'all see the D in there. All right, we driving. Boom. See how long it takes before the sensors start detecting that. You see the sensor the tire's reading now, so it won't be long. Turn and see if it get it to engage. Still not doing it. Turn again and see if I get it to engage. But yeah, the sensor is just showing us that we're supposed to be monitoring. It's probably gonna click in a second. It's crazy, no hazards, but it normally be on by now. We driving. Still not going off. once we get it going, we can find out what the issue is. I actually talked to Eric, and he told me that there's a cable, and he was able to find it for me, and that I should be able to go to the shop in a few minutes to pick it up. But it's not even showing anymore that I need it. It's not going back. It's not going off or anything. So I don't know. There it go. Had to hit the brakes a few times. But you see it. I was about to stop recording too to think that it wasn't working, but there it go right there. Chassis control system error. All-wheel drive error. So y'all see it. My actual appointment is at 3:30 at the shop, so we right on time, and I actually got the sensor to show that it's showing wrong or bad. So I'm about to get this up to the shop because I don't want to take no chances of the wheel coming off or anything, and make sure everything's tight. I'll get back with you guys in a second when I get to the shop. All right, here we are, y'all, right here at the shop. About to pull right on up. Look, we got a familiar car up there too. My boy in the Chevy. Get him some more work done. I wonder who wants to pull this in the back. I'm gonna go and pull all the way around. See, it's still showing. Leave it running, see what he say. What it do, man? I wasn't able to locate a wheel either, y'all, but these lug nuts actually still holding up. It wasn't as bad as the issues we thought it was. Wheel's still tight on here. Everything's still good, man. There was no cause for alarm or panic. But just gotta get that sensor together, man. That's it. Go ahead, pull this thing in this other bay, actually get it from over here and put it right here in the bay. Back this out real quick. I was gonna originally do that, but I don't know what else he had lined up. Another part just got delivered, like a radiator or something they bringing in. Right on time, man. Get them parts right in, get them jobs done. Perfect. In and out. He only finishing up one other job real quickly on the phone, finishing something, but y'all can see it say clear as day. You know what I'm saying? I got an issue. Hopefully this little cable he about to put on here about to fix it. When we get it back rolling like it was before. Because I mean, the loud noise that y'all was hearing and we heard, and it was crazy how we was able to ride this thing and the tires like didn't fall completely off, but luckily he was able to get to it before it did happen, because he was able to take the wheel off without a tool. So that's how loose the lugs was. And man, great guy to know at the right time, you feel me? But y'all thought I was capping about the temperature. Y'all still see it, man. 81 degrees outside here, man. I know a lot of people saying they didn't reach the 40s and low 50s and stuff, so probably even the 30s. But out here, October, Texas, we still got them 85 degrees and 80 degrees, and it's still getting warm out through here, y'all. So, hey, man, check it out. This cable here. Man, this temperature is perfect. Temperature feel perfect out here.
Yeah.
A little bit of sun with a nice breeze.
Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. I'll get it done. You too.
The little old cable right there caused all them Christmas lights to come on.
Huh?
That little old cable right there caused all those Christmas lights to come on.
Yeah. You are good.
All right, well, the attempt was to get this off before having to take this off, but it broke coming out, so gotta improvise.
Glad you have faith in me.
You got it too, though.
Oh,
You got faith in you.
do I?
You come here every day with it.
It's true.
Completed. Hopefully the Christmas lights don't come back on.
Shouldn't. Should be good now.
Yep. The name of that part was just called like an ABS cable? Or
ABS wheel speed sensor.
ABS wheel speed sensor. That probably makes sense why it wasn't going off when I just had it sitting in the garage running.
Yep.
Got to be spinning. All right. All right, man, get on this thing. Make sure the censoring. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Hopefully, we don't have any issues. All right, y'all, we back on the road. We out. All right, y'all, my tire pressure a little low, but we don't got no lights on the dash, so we're gonna get on down through here.